Hi, this is Mila, and I will be opening and making MJ's Miniverse Make It Mini Potions Harry Potter edition, and I will be definitely grading it in appearance and difficulty and all of that as compared to the other potions that I've made. And now I have a ton, so I'm trying to get all 12, and for the moment I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm missing 2. So, oh wait, before I open this one, the pinhole is right here on the bottom, and it is, what was it? Int 2. This is from the second batch that I got, and yeah, the one that my friends brought me were Int 2 and Int 3, so it was more complicated. I was like, which is what? But yeah, so all I'm hoping is this is not a double, because I've seen a couple of different charts online, so I'm just, at this point, I'm like, I love all the potions. I want to get all the potions. I just don't want a double. That's what I don't want. The rest, I'm perfectly fine with. Okay, let's see what this is. Come on. And I would not hate it if I were to get one, you can hear me say it, one double, because then I'll get like the extra potion bottle. And there's some of the potion bottles which are kind of standard, like for example, the Wolfsbane. So, I mean, that would allow me to make like a new potion. And you would note I have yellow, I have pink, I have blue, I have greenish, orangish, but there's no like bright red. And like, just imagine like a blood red one. I could be like, this is the blood of a vampire, and you could turn into a vampire if you were to drink it or something like that. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, let's put this off to the side and take out the bits and bobs inside. I'm really starting to love this expression, bits and bobs. Will I be reading this? No. You should read it if you're making it and follow the instructions. But, oh, it's not a double. And I know this because, oh, that's a spider. That's a spider. Let's just put it away. I don't like the spider. No spider for me. No, thank you. Am I like Ron? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay, just push it to the back. Okay, I will make the potion and then I'll tie it and pretend that I didn't see it. Bad spider. I mean, it's not a bad spider. Arachnids are very useful, and some people love them as pets, but personally, I'm just so scared of the amount of legs. Like, I feel like insects with 6 are like my, like, borderline. So, 8 is just too much. It's too much. I'm sorry. Yeah, leech juice. Okay, this is like a bright green one, so it's going to be lovely for the collection. Okay, add in the yellow sparkles, add in the green sparkles, and pour. Okay, this is very straightforward. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta. I'm loving it. Wait, that's not from this. Never you mind. Ooh, candles. Okay. I guess there's 2 candles with the leech juice, because I don't know, maybe they thought it wasn't complicated enough, so they're like, we'll give them candles. But I'm loving this because it's going to be so nice, and when I get to making a potion, a potions classroom, it's going to be so cool because I'm going to have a ton of candles and a ton of other stuff. So pretty happy with that. I will not lie. Okay. Oh, that opened easily. This is what's difficult to open, but I'll get around to it. Let's just take everything out. Okay. Whoop. Oh, and it's nice and round. I love that. And that's another one, just like the infusion of wormwood, that has its own stand. This one cannot stand on its own, so no matter what I do, I will definitely be using this. Yay! Oh. And thank goodness I checked, because I was going to miss the cap. So that's actually a good thing. Okay, perfect. I'm assuming those are the parts for the bottle. And I think I said it in the last video, but I'll end up making like a separate video with my idea for Halloween for the classroom, how I'm going to use this, because I think it's going to be very adorable. And if some of you have those bottles and are teachers, or you have kids, or you have cousins or nephews or any of that are younger, for sure I think that could be a cute thing for Halloween. So, ooh, I didn't drop it. It just kind of fell out. It is not my fault. Ooh, that's cute. Let's just put it in here. And there's the green one. Oh my goodness. Look at the green. That's so bright. Is it fluorescent? I'll have to check afterwards. That is beautiful. Let's make sure there's nothing in here. Good, good. And is there a spoon inside? There's that. Nope, it's one of those things. I will not be using it. I will be using my spoon that I have from before. I think I would take a golden one just to kind of make it fancy. And let's go open this. Like magic, it is now open. Okay, so where did the instructions go? Oh, there we are. That's it? Yes, that's it. So mix in both sparkles. I guess I will put half of each, although it's not a lot. Maybe I'll put the entire thing. Okay. Come on. I mean, whatever comes... Oh, it went on my arm. On my hands. Okay, we're gonna stop right here with the sparkles. Try to put some of it back in. Now it went on my other hand. Can you see how... I think you can see how sparkly it is. Oh no. Okay, maybe as long as it doesn't fall on the floor. They're just spreading. Oh. Okay. How do I make it come down without... Maybe tap it? Okay, let's see. Maybe better? I guess somewhat better. This one didn't fall on my hand. Okay, I think this is good for right now. I'll see if I need to add any more. Where's the spoon? Where did I put the spoon? Abracadabra. Oh, no, wait. Accio spoon. Ta-da! See? I know my Harry Potter spells. There we go. And let's mixy. And I see some of it coming out. I should have mixed the first one before putting the second one. And they knew that. That's why they told me to put them one after the other. Follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. I'm kidding. But yeah, I should have followed the instructions more closely, I guess, given the amount of sparkles. Oh, but this is beautiful. I think I'll put more of the green one just to have like a more pronounced green color. Because I'd love for this to be like extra green. There we go. Come on, the green. Go all of you in. Perfect. Let's see now whether that'll make a difference. I mean, at this point, I am just sparkly all over. And I'm sure I'll be finding sparkles from here to the forever after. Like, I'll literally be 80 and be like, there's sparkles from that Harry Potter incident. Like Harry Potter making potion incident. Although that would be kind of cool. Be like, I was sort of a Hogwarts, kind of. In my head I was. Sorry, you have to listen to me ramble. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is a way nicer color. I'm very glad I put all the green in. This does not seem stable at all. So wish me luck. And I hope I have enough potion, but I think like it's kind of full up to here. So I think there will be enough if I don't spill any. Oh, look at this lovely green color. It looks quite poisonous. Leech juice. Oh, yeah. Quite poisonous indeed. And it's very liquidy. So I'm very happy because this is not the newest series. So I'm very, very happy. It is new to me though. And after I made the last one, which was Back to Hogwarts, I was like, I really want to make this one. So yeah, I'm very happy. Although now I'm a bit less happy because I'm realizing that I think I'm at sort of the end of the bottle. So I'll keep draining it and get back to you at the end because I'm assuming this is going to take, like the Amortentia, it's going to take a while. I filled it to the last available drop, so that's where I ended up with. which is actually pretty good, but it was, again, it was a long process. So I'm kind of happy that I did it off camera to not make you watch every painful second of it. And as you can tell, I also washed my hands because they were so very sparkly, and I was so not looking forward to, you know, spreading that joy. But yeah, I will cure this, and then all that's left is to put the spider on. Joy. Touching spider, even a plasticky one. It has too many legs. And I know that's my thing. Like, I'm sure a lot of people love spiders, but I mean, do you love spiders? And like, how do you feel about real ones versus plastic ones? Because I admit, like, even the plastic ones bother me. So yeah. Okay, I will see you at the end of the curing. Okay. So contrary to other potions, this is not some kind of a thine or like thread. It's an elastic, which is quite lovely. So I kind of pre-tied the knot here. Let's see whether it'll be, whether it'll be easier to tie. And I'm already a fan. Just keep wrapping it, I guess. Yes, they do say to keep wrapping it. Okay, I'm very afraid to drop it. And I'm trying to like avoid touching the spider because spider, like, need I explain more? Spider, that kind of says it all. Okay, I touched it. I'm touching it as we speak. I don't like it. I know it's there. Like, I know it's a fake spider, but could have been a real one. And it's autumn, so there's like real ones roaming the grounds. But yeah, here is the leech juice. It looks quite adorable, and I will cut this off afterward. Where do I rate it? I managed to make quite a mess, but that was just because it's me. It is beautiful. So I'm sorry, Murtlap Essence and Wolfsbane, you're coming down yet again. Beautiful as it is, simple to make. I mean, even the spider adds to the atmosphere. Like, look at this. Isn't this a gorgeous collection? Yeah, yes, it is. Okay, I'm loving this. And I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next little mini moment we get to share together. Bye!